you don't have a brown thumb, you just are lacking some information. Welcome to my series about tips for the garden that are common, but a lot of people actually don't know them. Here's another one: companion planting. There are certain reasons why this doesn't work with this one. They might steal nutrients from each other. You need to know companion planting. Well, that is important for certain vegetables in general. I will say there is a common misconception about the herbs. Now, the herbs that you plant next to them, I'm not saying don't do it. I'm saying it's a good thing for companion planting. However, they only actually work to deter animals or pests if you touch them, because they let off that scent the moment that you touch them. If you're not sitting here like touching your plant all day long, it's not really working to do its job the way it's supposed to. So I do think that the herbs are kind of a misconception, where like planting, broccoli next to Brussels sprouts might not be the best idea. Or planting, or like, for example, people say that asparagus and strawberries work well together. I've never planted them together. They're both perennials. They don't make sense to me to plant together because of the way that asparagus ferns out when it's gotten to a certain point. It doesn't make sense to me, but they are supposedly companion plants. Another one might be like the three sisters, right? Corn, zucchini, and green beans. Green beans, or any beans. And beans are going to put nitrogen back into the soil. That's going to help the other two grow. And if they're a pole bean, they can grow up the corn and help be a trellis of that sort. So there are things that work well together, and then maybe other ones that won't. So it's important to know those. But again, with the herbs, I think that it's a misconception because it only works really well. Like, for example, my basil, I can't smell it at all right now, but if I go ahead and touch it, guess what? Everything smells like basil now. So as far as insects and stuff go and pests, that's not going to really work unless I'm touching it.